Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make app icon black and white on your iPhone. So simply I'm provide full guide. At first open your iPhone settings, click on to general, software update, make sure to update your iOS 18. So I'm already update my iOS 18. Okay, and long press in your display anywhere, just long press, click on to edit option and then showing it to customize, select dark, select this option and you just select this area and last. So look here, now successfully black my apps. Or if you want to get back normal, so long press, click on to edit, customize and just select light, then get back. So that's it, that's how you can do it.